Alright, welcome back guys. We'll be looking at how to digitize line or linear features. So today we'll be looking at how to digitize the roads or to extract the roads from this map. These roads. We'll be digitizing some of the roads, not all of the roads, because we also have footpaths also in this map, but we'll be dealing majorly with the main roads, the primary roads, and also maybe the minor roads. Alright, just like in the previous video where we digitized these points, we also do the same to the line features to digitize the roads. So you can see these are the points that we digitized in the last video. If you want to know how we did this, please click the link in the description below and it will show you how to digitize the points. Let's activate. To do this, we need to activate our editor toolbar. Right click on an empty space here in your menu toolbar. Right click on it and then scroll down till you see your editor. Click on it. Then click on start editing. Or you can simply head over to the road layer or the road shapefile that you want to digitize. Right click on it and then select edit features and then click on start editing. This makes it easier. Then you can click on the last option here on your editor toolbar which says create features, because you need to activate some important options also. So you click on it and then it shows up here. Since we want to digitize the roads and we've already created this shapefile, so you click on road and then head down to your construction tools and select line, because road is represented by lines, that's connection of points. And you can see our cursor has changed. The symbol of our cursor has changed to a plus sign. So now let's begin to digitize the roads. You now zoom in so that you can digitize effectively. Make sure you are zoomed in enough. So let's begin. You just click. You just keep on clicking. Left click, left click. So we're just tracing out the roads from this map because we want to have the shapefile of roads in this particular region. So you just do this for all the roads. It's very simple. It's just for you to click and that's all. But make sure you're clicking the right places. Alright, once you've reached an end, the end of a road, you can just double click on it to end the digitizing for that part. Just double click. Either you double click or you right click on it and then select finish sketch. So you can select finish sketch and then it is stored. It now changes to a highlighted digitized road. So you can see the road that you've digitized. We've already digitized this major road. We're going to also repeat the same process for these other roads. So you just simply do the same thing. You just head over to the starting point, click on it, and then continue. Very easy. So make sure you have an external mouse, as I've always been emphasizing on. This will make you to be faster and more flexible and also effective. So try to get one. So continue. All right, I think I'm satisfied with the roads that I've selected or digitized. So the next thing we need to do now is to save the edits. So you just head over to your editor toolbar, click on it, and then select save edits, or you stop editing, and then it asks you, do you want to save your edits? You say yes, so your edits are saved. So you can close it and then uncheck the base map to see your digitized roads. So you can see the roads that we digitized, and then we can also check the settlements that were also digitized in the previous video. So you can see we now have our roads shapefile extracted from this base map, and you can see that it is perfectly superimposed and placed. So you can see that the map is already turning out perfectly. So if you want to create a simple map, these are the processes that you follow. You first of all need to georeference your map. You can check our previous videos on how to georeference, and then you can also create your shapefiles first. You can also check our previous videos on how to create shapefiles, because you need to know how to create a shapefile before you can digitize, because it is the shapefiles like these settlement shapefiles and then these road shapefiles and the water body that we're going to use to store the digitized features. Remember, our shapefiles, they're used to store geometric attributes or features, and also attribute information of particular features. So you need to know how to do or go about all of this. All right, see you guys in the next video, which will be showing you how to digitize the water body, or the polygon features rather, from this base map. So we'll be focusing on the water body. All right, stay safe guys.